It was a momentous occasion at National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew today as the government unveiled a monument in tribute to the healthcare workers who died on the front lines of COVID-19. It comes as today marks 5 years since Jamaica recorded the first case of the virus. Kalisha Williams has that story.
March 10, 2020, a day many healthcare workers will never forget. The day Jamaica recorded its first COVID-19 case.
It brought back a lot of memories, a lot of harsh memories, a lot of harsh realities.
And 5 years later, the government is ensuring they don't. On Monday morning, a tribute to the healthcare workers who died on the front lines of COVID-19 in the form of a monument.
These men and women, our healthcare heroes, all put their lives on the line, pushing through the fear and through the uncertainty to preserve health and to save the lives of others.
Today, we pay tribute not just to their service, but to their selfless sacrifice and unwavering dedication. We honor those who did not return home to their families.
And for the healthcare workers who did make it home, while thankful for life, it was a moment of reflection on the friends and colleagues they lost on the so-called battlefield and the hours spent in emergency rooms across the island.
You know, when I looked at the board and I saw one particular name, and a nurse from Cornwall Regional Hospital, it really hit me because we had the same challenges and she's no longer here.
In the pandemic, wow, it was like starring in a movie. You had to be there. Some persons worked 16 hours, some 32 because of staff and some staff were affected. And we had to just forget about, put ourselves aside, put family aside, and just think about saving lives.
And from the leadership level, it was no easier. Over the past 5 years, the name Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa Mackenzie was frequently featured in the media.
Maintaining the confidence of the public was important, and so therefore to have all the information and to be able to speak confidently. I mean, to tell the honest truth, I'm not a media person, but I recognized my importance in being out there. And so that's placed a lot of responsibility. Sometimes I did feel burdened. It was challenging, but I mean, I can't say that I regret any of it.
Now, the worst is behind us. In fact, the last figures from the health ministry showed only 3 new COVID-19 cases. And in looking ahead for Prime Minister Andrew Holness,
because of the difficult but necessary economic reforms we have undertaken, Jamaica is now better prepared for future shocks.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.